Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing this personal size blender. So this blender is great because it's perfect size for traveling. You can take it with you if you go camping or just on the road. If you're going on vacation, you want to be able to blend up a smoothie or a milkshake while you're there. This is a great size, perfect, easy to pack, and nice and small. It has 300 watts, which is really powerful. It has ice crushing capabilities, so you can really make a nice smooth smoothie. It also has the ability to juice green beans. You can just really mix up anything. So put in some fruit, frozen fruit, fresh fruit, some vegetables, whatever you want to blend will be crushed completely. Then it also has 20,000 RPMs and it has 6 blades with super sharp edges. So you're really going to be able to crush whatever you need to. So even though this blender might be small and portable, it is super, super powerful. So I'm going to go ahead and look at the box. It's just a picture on the side. You can see how you can take it to go. It does have a silicone ring. It comes with 2 different lids and it's leak proof. So you can blend and then you can take it with you in one machine. So you don't have to wash, a huge blender or anything. And on this side, just shows the color options that they have and some of the food going inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, take a look. Okay, so in the box, all right, so first thing we have here is the operation instructions and portable blender. It shows a little bit about how to use it. They have different models, so depending on what you're looking for, just some quick info about each button and how it works. Oh, and how to use it, with batteries. It is battery operated, and I believe it also has a charger or plug, but we'll take a look at that in a second. So there is the manual with some nice easy pictures for you. Also inside has a convenient travel bag, so you can, like I said, if you wanted to bring the blender with you, you can just put in everything inside the bag and pack it up, and it'll stay nice and clean and easy to travel and bring with you. All right, so we also have a USB cord here for the charger, and looks like just a magnetic charger right there, and a simple USB, so you will need a block to charge this. And here are the 2 lids for the blender. This one is just like a blending lid, or if you want to keep it completely closed. And this lid has a spout, so you can easy drinking. It has that rubber seal right there, so it'll stay nice and close and seal tightly. Looks like it would be easy to clean as well. Go ahead and open up the blender. So here's the base of the blender with the buttons right there. So if you press it a long time, it goes on and off. If you press it a few times, then it'll just pulse or click on. And this is just the top to keep the blades protected. So if you are using this for traveling, then it stays nice and safe. So here's the actual blender carafe that you use for the machine. So it has the blender at the bottom. That part you would just take off, and it will go right onto there. And it has this nice carrying ring right here. It's silicone, super easy, so you could take this on the go. And a nice shape bottle as well. It's made of BPA-free plastic and will conveniently be easy to bring anywhere you want to go. So I'm going to go ahead and set up the blender and charge it. Here is the charging port right on front. I forgot to show that. So it is completely battery operated, but it's a rechargeable battery. So you can just plug it in and take it with you, and it'll keep a charge so you can blend whenever you'd like to. And I'm gonna go ahead and set it up and make a smoothie. Just screws right off. And this part will screw back on to get nice and tight. And then press it to go on. Just peel the sticker off. It shows it has a full battery. It says 20 on it, so I think that's the speed. So let me just press it and see. You can see the blade spinning. Okay, so I guess it's 20 seconds. It counts down, it blends for 20 seconds, and then you can turn this on or off. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up with some things for a smoothie. Let's start with spinach in there. We'll add some ice and some banana also. that seemed to work really well. It totally crunched up all the ice that was inside there, blended everything together. So that was 20 seconds. If you wanted to do it a little bit more, you could. If you wanted it a little smoother. I think it looks pretty perfect, so I'm gonna leave it at that. And then if you wanted to take this with you, I do have the regular silicone top on right now. You can just flip it upside down, give it a little shake to let everything kind of drip down there, and unscrew the blender part of the machine and screw the bottom piece back on. And then it is ready to take with you. So this was pretty easy to use. As you could see, it seems to have worked really, really well. You can switch out the top, so you can have this different drinking top if you'd want. You can just travel with this. Easy to pack, really small, super powerful. It blended up that smoothie in just 20 seconds and it was ready to go. So I would definitely recommend this personal size smoothie mixer and blender if you want to be able to make smoothies at work, if you wanted to be able to travel and bring them with you. It was really convenient, easy to use, easy to set up, and worked really great. Hope you guys found this helpful, and we'll see you next time.